Have you ever wondered how influencers and bloggers earn so much income online? What's their secret? Well, a lot of them leverage a business model called affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing allows you to generate commissions by promoting other companies' products without having to create your own. So how exactly does it work, and how can you get started even if you're a complete beginner with no experience? In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to launching a profitable affiliate marketing business, so you can start earning your first commissions this month. We'll talk about how to choose a niche, find affiliate programs, create content with your links, and use promotional strategies to drive referral traffic. The best part is affiliate marketing has a low barrier to entry. You don't need a ton of capital or fancy tech skills to get started. Just by following some fundamental strategies, you can start seeing results. So if you want to learn how to create a steady stream of online income through affiliate promotions, make sure to stick around for this entire video. Make sure to stick around until the end, because I'll reveal the top affiliate programs that are newbie-friendly and pay great commissions. And if you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my future affiliate marketing training videos. I release new videos each week with actionable tips to help you boost your earnings. Subscribing allows me to notify you every time I upload, so you can be first to learn new strategies. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a performance-based revenue model where you earn commissions by promoting other companies' products or services. As an affiliate marketer, you partner with brands and businesses within a niche by applying to their affiliate program. Once approved, you receive a unique affiliate link or promo code to share across your website, social media, or other platforms. When someone clicks your affiliate link and completes the desired action like making a purchase or sign up, you earn a commission. The commission percentage varies depending on the merchant, but commonly ranges from 5 to 30%. So in essence, your job as the affiliate is to drive referral traffic and sales to the merchant through your promotional efforts. In exchange, you get a cut of the profits at no extra cost to the merchant. The great thing about affiliate marketing is you don't need to have your own physical products or services to earn. You simply help facilitate a conversion between merchant and customer using your marketing skills and audience, all while passively earning income. It's a win-win arrangement that allows everyday people to generate substantial revenue streams online by essentially becoming a marketing channel for brands. Why get into affiliate marketing? There are many great reasons to start an affiliate marketing business. Here are some of the main benefits. Earn passive income. Once your affiliate promotions are set up, they can generate sales and commissions month after month with little maintenance. The income can be very passive after the initial work. Low overhead. You don't need warehouse space, manufacturing costs, or inventory like traditional businesses. All you need is a laptop and internet connection to manage your business from anywhere. Easy startup. No formal qualifications or technical skills are required to become an affiliate. The barrier to entry is low both for time and money investment. Be your own boss. Affiliate marketing offers true location and schedule freedom. You can work remotely, set your own hours, and build the business at your own pace. Minimal risks. You don't have to worry about traditional business risks like creating and shipping products. The merchant handles the product fulfillment. Leverage content. By learning content creation and driving organic traffic, you can continually grow your passive affiliate earnings over time. So if you want a legitimate online business model that lets you earn at your own pace without huge overhead costs, affiliate marketing is an excellent option worth exploring. The income potential versus effort makes it very appealing. How do you get started with affiliate marketing? Here are the key steps. Choose a profitable niche. Pick a specific topic you're passionate about that has an engaged audience and products to promote. Research potential affiliate programs in the niche first. Sign up for affiliate programs. Search affiliate networks like Commission Junction, Impact, Share SL, etc. to find programs in your niche. Apply to partner with brands that align with your audience. Create converting content. Build a website, social media, YouTube channel centered around your niche. Release high-quality content that builds trust and organically incorporates affiliate links. Promote strategically. Utilize social media posts, email lists, PPC ads, influencer partnerships to drive referral traffic to your affiliate links and offer value. Track your links. Use affiliate management plugins like Post Affiliate Pro to properly track sales and optimize your promotions. Analyze performance. Continuously analyze your traffic sources, conversions, commissions to refine your strategy. Build email lists. Collect emails and build an audience that you can market to directly via emails, push notifications, etc. Reinvest profits. Reinvest a portion of your earnings to grow your organic reach and affiliate income over time. Staying consistent with high-value content and strategic promotions will steadily grow your affiliate earnings. Partner with reputable brands that offer great commission structures to motivated affiliates. Top affiliate programs for beginners. Amazon Associates, one of the largest affiliate programs, offers up to 10% commission on Amazon products. Massive product selection and trusted brand. Provides marketing materials and reporting tools. ClickBank, digital information products like ebooks. Average commissions are 50 to 70% per sale. Easy to search and promote offers. Lots of auctions for the make money online niche. Etsy, handmade and vintage products. Commissions vary but around 5%. Can promote specific shops or products. Great for crafty/arts niches. Rakuten, huge variety of 4,000 plus brands. Commissions 1 to 40% based on product. Strong reporting dashboard. ShareASale, over 3,900 merchant programs. Offers average 8% commissions across many product types. User-friendly platform. These networks cater well to beginners because they make it easy to get approved, search relevant offers, access creatives and links, and track your performance. They also provide high commission rates on proven products. The key is finding programs related to your niche that are reputable and offer competitive affiliate terms compared to alternatives. Do your research to maximize earnings. Promoting affiliate links strategically. Maximize the impact of your affiliate marketing endeavors by employing a multifaceted approach that leverages various digital marketing channels. SEO content. Craft SEO-optimized content that not only serves as a valuable resource for your audience, but also strategically incorporates affiliate links. Focus on creating content that answers user queries, provides solutions, and seamlessly integrates relevant affiliate products. Social media. Utilize the power of social media platforms to amplify your affiliate reach. Share engaging posts, stories, and updates that highlight the benefits of the products you're promoting. Leverage both organic and paid strategies on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest to increase visibility. Paid ads. Invest in targeted paid advertising campaigns. Platforms like Google Ads and social media advertising allow you to reach specific demographics. Craft compelling ad copy that not only attracts clicks but also aligns with the interests and needs of your target audience. Email marketing. Build and nurture an email list to establish a direct line of communication with your audience. Create email campaigns that not only promote affiliate products but also provide valuable content, such as newsletters, product reviews, and exclusive offers. Build a relationship based on trust and relevance. Influencer partnerships. Collaborate with influencers in your niche to expand your reach. Influencers can authentically promote affiliate products to their engaged audience. Choose influencers whose values align with your brand, ensuring a seamless integration of your affiliate links into their content. That sums up the basics of getting started with affiliate marketing as a total beginner. Remember to choose programs suited for beginners, create high-quality content, and provide value for your audience. Consistency and hard work pays off. Let me know if you have any questions. Embarking on the affiliate marketing journey as a total beginner requires a strategic approach and a commitment to learning the ropes. Start by carefully selecting affiliate programs tailored for beginners. Opt for programs with user-friendly interfaces, comprehensive support, and reputation for fair compensation. This ensures a smoother entry into the affiliate marketing landscape. Once you've chosen suitable programs, shift your focus to content creation. Craft high-quality content that resonates with your target audience. Tailor your content to address their pain points, answer common questions, and provide solutions. Whether it's blog posts, videos, or social media content, prioritize relevance and authenticity. The goal is not just to promote products, but to establish yourself as a valuable resource in your niche. The cornerstone of a successful affiliate marketing venture lies in providing value consistently. Strive to go beyond mere promotional content. Educate and entertain your audience. Share insights, tips, and industry updates. Position yourself as an authority within your niche, fostering a sense of trust. As you consistently deliver value, your audience is more likely to trust your recommendations, leading to higher conversion rates. In the world of affiliate marketing, Patience, consistency, and hard work are key. Results may not be instantaneous, but with dedication, you'll start to see the fruits of your labor. Stay informed about industry trends, adapt your strategies accordingly, and be open to learning from your experiences. Remember, success in affiliate marketing is a journey, and each step forward brings you closer to your goals.